Welcome back to Luxury Car, where we explore the world of top-tier vehicles. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated trucks of 2026, the GMC Sierra 1500. This iconic pickup has long been a symbol of power, ruggedness, and refinement, and the 2026 model is set to take it to a whole new level. In this video, we'll be focusing exclusively on the exterior design, performance, and features of this powerhouse. So sit back, relax, and let's explore everything the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 has to offer. First, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 retains its bold, muscular stance while incorporating a sleeker, more modern aesthetic. It's clear that GMC wanted to build on its reputation for ruggedness, but with a refined touch. The truck features a more aggressive front grille, with a distinct, angular look that commands attention, framed by LED headlamps that offer a futuristic touch while maintaining the brand's signature style. The large grille is flanked by redesigned LED fog lights that give the truck an unmistakable presence on the road. The front bumper has been slightly reworked to improve both aerodynamics and durability, giving it a more purposeful look, while also offering improved protection for off-road adventures. Along the sides, the Sierra 1500 continues its muscular look with sculpted body lines that flow effortlessly from front to back. The wheel arches are pronounced, showcasing the truck's rugged off-road capabilities, while the newly designed wheels further enhance its imposing presence. Available in various finishes, these wheels add a touch of sophistication to this heavy-duty workhorse. The side mirrors are larger and more aerodynamic, designed to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency, but they also retain the tough, utilitarian look that the Sierra is known for. GMC has also added new exterior color options for 2026, including some exclusive shades that elevate the truck's overall look, making it more customizable than ever before. Moving to the rear, the Sierra 1500 continues its rugged theme, with bold tailgate designs and advanced features that make this truck not just practical but stylish. The tailgate itself is crafted from high-strength steel, ensuring it can handle whatever you throw at it. Plus, with the available multi-pro tailgate, you get enhanced functionality that opens up even more cargo options, whether you're hauling tools, gear, or just everyday items. In terms of performance, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 is built for both power and efficiency. It comes with a range of engine options, including the powerful 6.2-liter V8, capable of delivering exceptional towing capacity, with a towing capacity that's sure to meet the needs of any work site or adventure. This truck is also engineered for off-road performance, with features like a reinforced chassis, upgraded suspension system, and an advanced four-wheel drive system. The Sierra 1500 is capable of tackling rough terrains with ease. On top of that, GMC's precision engineering ensures a smooth driving experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through the toughest trails, you can expect excellent handling and comfort at all times. The 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 is an impressive evolution of a classic, combining rugged performance with advanced design elements that elevate it to the next level. This truck continues to stand as a symbol of both strength and sophistication, perfect for anyone who demands the best in both style and function. We hope you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Sierra 1500's exterior. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and in-depth analyses of luxury and performance vehicles right here on Luxury Car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.